In today's exploration of beginner-friendly drones, I introduce you to the fundamentals of aerial technology with clear, uncomplicated descriptions. The Holystone Mini Drone, a kid-friendly and beginner-oriented gadget that introduces the basics of flight through simplicity and gentle controls. This drone features a stable design and intuitive commands that make takeoff, flight, and landing feel accessible. Its compact size and easy-to-operate functions provide a fun and safe first experience, ideal for learning the excitement of aerial exploration with no unnecessary complications. This model lays a friendly foundation for budding young enthusiasts. I then explore the Q9's drone, a step up with extra features like altitude hold and headless mode, making control effortless. The design is engaging, providing stability and easier maneuverability for early adventures in flight. Its simplified controls and reliable performance help beginners build confidence. This model offers a noticeable upgrade from basic drones while still being accessible, blending fun and function perfectly for those starting their aerial journey. It truly brings a leap forward in easy flying. Next, my narrative presents the Hiturbo drone with a crisp 1080p camera designed for beginners. Its clear imagery, gesture control, and compact foldable design make capturing moments enjoyable. The drone balances simplicity with advanced features without overwhelming the user, making it ideal for learning both flight and basic photography. This model allows a smooth yet dynamic introduction to aerial visuals, appealing to those curious about capturing clear and vibrant perspectives. It sets a new standard for beginner exploration. Following that, I introduce the DJI Neo mini drone that artfully combines innovative features with an accessible design. Notable for its quick shots and excellent stabilization, it offers clear, steady video even for those just starting out. This drone builds confidence, precise flight control, making aerial adventures both fun and straightforward. It represents a balanced blend of technology and simplicity, ensuring beginners enjoy a smooth transition into more exciting drone operations. It lifts novice skills to new heights. Finally, I showcase the DJI Mini 4K, the crown jewel among beginner drones. Featuring a 4K camera, solid stabilization, impressive transmission range, and robust battery life, it embodies high performance while remaining accessible. This model transcends basic functionality, allowing users a taste of professional-grade flight without complex controls. It invites beginners to explore aerial photography with confidence and creativity, making it a truly standout choice that elevates the entire experience. This drone redefines entry-level aerial perfection for innovators. To wrap up this journey, I encourage you to click the link in the description to learn more about each uniquely crafted drone. Each model is thoughtfully selected for beginners seeking a smooth entry into flight. Enjoy exploring these options and consider liking and subscribing